Hi there everyone and welcome back to my channel. Peta-gay Barrett here with Barrett Fitness Enterprises. And I haven't said welcome back to my channel in a while because I've been on TikTok, you all. But this video is really for a lot of the people who are following me on TikTok who is doing this 30-day flat tummy smoothie challenge. For the month of July, we will be doing, yes, a 30-day flat tummy smoothie challenge. And I know that sounds like we're going to be drinking smoothies all day, every day for the month of July. But this challenge is a little bit different, right? We're trying to flatten the tummy and we're not gonna do it with just smoothies, right? We need to do some core exercises. So here are the details of this 30-day flat tummy smoothie challenge. Every day for the month of July, we will be having one smoothie to replace one meal. I recommend you have your smoothie in the mornings to break your fast. Now, every week, I will change the recipe of the smoothie. The recipe for this week will be in the description box, so you guys can go there and check it out. It's spinach, flaxseed, apple cider vinegar, 2 cups of water, small piece of ginger, and I think I may be missing something, but it's all in the description box. You guys go there and you check it out. One smoothie a day to replace one meal. In addition to our smoothie, we will be doing core exercises. And for this first week, we will be doing 100 leg lifts, you guys. And the main point of this video is to do a demonstration of the actual exercise. I'll do 2 versions. I'll do a modified version and one that is, I call not so modified, but it's a little bit more advanced. You can use a bench like this, or you can use a chair. And once I get over to show you guys, I'll grab a chair, and that's probably what I'll use because I'm sure most people will have a chair at home. Okay, so remember, here are the details. I will put the smoothie recipe in the description box. We'll do the same smoothie every day for week 1, and we're only replacing our smoothie with one meal. Only one meal. You still have your lunch, you have your dinner. I recommend you do it for breakfast. And we're doing 100 seated leg lifts. You can do 100 if that's what you want to do without stopping. You can do it in any variation that you want. You can mix the modified with the advanced. You can do 2 sets of 50. You can do 4 sets of 25. You can do 5 sets of 20. How many ever you choose to do, as long as you get 100, you guys. So here we go. I'm going to demonstrate these 2 variations of the seated leg lifts. I'm going to grab a chair and I'm going to meet you all on the other side. So let's get it, y'all. Okay, you guys. So you will need a chair like this one. Safety first, you all. So now I'm going to demonstrate the 2 variations of the seated leg lift. So you're going to find your chair, whichever kind of chair you have in your home. You're going to sit on your chair, place your butt in the middle of the chair. Make sure your core is nice and tight and engaged. Make sure your back is straight. Make sure you're not hunched over. Your core is nice and engaged, diaphragm open, you can breathe, right? You're gonna grab it to the side of your chairs, and this is probably better from the side view. I'll show you guys how to do that from the side angle. So you're gonna grab onto the side of your chair, and you're going to straight back, nice tight core. As you grab the chair, you're gonna use your stomach muscles to lift your knee into your chest. Right? So as you start to bring your knees into your chest, you're tightening your core, right? Remember, we're not trying to, do all of that and, all of that. Just try to keep it nice and tight. You may not be able to do as many, of this exercise, as you're keeping it tight. The goal is to tighten and engage your stomach muscles as you pull it up. You can lean back a little bit if you like. That will probably give you a little bit more range of motion, but you're using your stomach muscle to pull your knees into your chest. Try to keep your knees together. Try to keep your feet together. Just think everything nice and tight. And as you come up, you are exhaling, right? So take a nice deep breath, right? And that is the modified version of the seated leg lift. So we're gonna go straight into the not so modified version. So let's get it. So now we're going to get into the little bit more advanced. Now the first one that we did, the modified version, really mainly targets, your lower abdomen. So with this one, same seated on the bench, but you want to move forward just a little bit because you want to give yourself just a little bit more room to rest back, right? And we're going to grab the side of your chairs just the same, tighten your core just the same, but then you're going to lean back just a little bit because we want to engage more of the stomach muscles. Then we're going to get the legs straight out, you all. And this is how we're going to do our leg lift. Legs nice and tight together. Grab onto your chair, lean back just a little bit, and we're lifting. Again, you may only be able to do 5 of these. You may only be able to do 10 of these. How many ever you can do. Mix it up. Do some of the modified version and the not so modified version. But for this one, with the straight leg lifts, you're going to engage more of your stomach muscles. Grab onto your chair, get probably like a half of your butt cheek, or at least a third of your butt cheek off of the bench. Lean back a little bit. Remember, we're not doing, this and all of that, and, safety first. Grab your chair, tighten your core, straighten your legs out, rest back, and just lift. If you can do 1 and take a break, how many ever you can do. And that's what we're doing. And that, my friends, is the seated leg lifts, 2 versions of it, right? Remember, we're doing a smoothie every day to replace 1 meal, and we're doing 100 of these core exercises in any variation as long as you can get 100, right? I've been getting a lot of questions on this, and I think it's kind of simple, but yeah. So the recipe for the smoothie will be in the description box below, and feel free to ask me any questions that you like. We're doing this for 30 days. Every week in the month of July, we'll change the recipe of the smoothie, and we'll change the exercise, and we'll change the quantity, you all. So to go ahead and sign up for my newsletter, you all. It's free health and fitness information. Click on the link. All you got to do is drop your email address in, and you'll get more details on these challenges as I put them out. And all my social media, everything is on this link as well. So you guys, you don't have to do it exactly how I do it. I just ask that you just get your ass and move and have a smoothie. Let's get it.